Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin holds above $100,000 as Iran-Israel trade blows. Your day ahead look for June 15, 2025. You are viewing Crypto Daybook Americas, your morning briefing on what happened in the crypto markets overnight and what's expected during the coming day. Crypto Daybook Americas will arrive in your inbox at 7 a.m. Eastern Time to kickstart your morning with comprehensive insights. If you're not already subscribed, click here. You won't want to start your day without it. By Omkar Godbole, all times ET unless indicated otherwise. Bitcoin's BTC $106,683.10 continued choppy trading near January's highs of around $110,000 has some observers drawing parallels with 2021, when the bull market ended with twin peaks closer to $70,000. Not everyone agrees. The market dynamics between 2021 and today are completely different. Jeff Anderson, head of Asia at STS Digital, told CoinDesk. BTC is evolving into a treasury asset, so it is very difficult to extrapolate chart patterns onto an asset undergoing massive structural changes. The price action over the weekend was encouraging, Anderson said, noting Bitcoin's stability at around $105,000 even as Iran and Israel traded blows. As the old saying goes, if a market does not fall too much on bad news, it indicates big players are probably going long. According to Singapore-based QCP Capital, BTC's resilient price is underpinned by continued institutional adoption. The market seems to have rediscovered its footing, particularly after BTC held above the key psychological threshold of $100,000 despite the initial shock, QCP said. Crucially, Friday's modest 3% pullback paled in comparison to April last year, when BTC fell more than 8% amid similar Iran-Israel turmoil. The market composure is evident from Volmex's 30-day implied volatility index, BVIV, which has declined to an annualized 42.7%, reversing Friday's spike to 46.12%. Meanwhile, the spread between Ether and Bitcoin implied volatilities continues to widen, a sign that Ether options are becoming costlier relative to Bitcoin on Deribit. The relative richness of Ether options presents a good opportunity for Ether holders to generate additional yield by writing or selling options, according to Anderson. Hong Kong-listed company Meme Strategy's share price surged over 20% after the company announced the acquisition of 2,440 Solana, SOL, tokens for approximately 2.9 million Hong Kong dollars, $370,000. Corporate adoption of cryptocurrencies is rapidly moving beyond Bitcoin and into other coins, such as Ether ETH $2, 612.55, Sol SOL $155.44, and XRP $2.26. However, last week, shares in Nasdaq-listed SharpLink dropped sharply after the company disclosed that it had bought Ether. The outlook for the broader altcoin market does not look so rosy as large unlocks loom. In the next 7 days, tokens with large one-time unlocks, over $5 million, include FDN, ZK, ARB, SID, APE, Melania, Lista, and ZKJ. Tokens with large daily linear unlocks, over $1 million per day, include SOL, WLD, TIA, Doge, TAO, AVAX, SUI, DOT, IP, Morpho, ETHFI, and JTO, newsletter service London Crypto Club said. In traditional markets, futures tied to the S&P 500 signaled a steady start to the week with gains as oil prices stabilized following Friday's surge. According to Barcart.com, credit markets are pricing in a 6-level credit downgrade for the U.S., equating to a rating of BBB, just a notch above investment grade. Stay alert. The CoinDesk Policy and Regulation Conference, formerly known as State of Crypto, is a one-day boutique event held in Washington on September 10th that allows general counsels, compliance officers, and regulatory executives to meet with public officials responsible for crypto legislation and regulatory oversight. By Oliver Knight. Spot BTC ETFs. Spot ETH ETFs. Source: Farside Investors. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor on CoinDesk's markets team based in Mumbai, holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT member. Omkar previously worked at FX Street, writing research on currency markets and as fundamental analyst at Currency and Commodities Desk at Mumbai-based brokerage houses. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT. Oliver Knight is the co-leader of CoinDesk Data Tokens and Data Team. Before joining CoinDesk in 2022, Oliver spent 3 years as the chief reporter at CoinRivet. He first started investing in Bitcoin in 2013 and spent a period of his career working at a market-making firm in the UK. He does not currently have any crypto holdings.